Hi. So it's been long that I did some smoky eye. So I wanted to do one really bad. So I wanted to try this round smoky eye and not the winged kind of smoky eye. So let's just start. So I'm starting off with this primer from Sugar. This is so silky smooth. You can even see how my fingers are just sliding through my face so gently and smoothly, and how it's all become so matte. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from Sugar, which has a nice tip like a triangle shape. Honestly, the best shape I would like is a nice pen tip, but quality texture of it was very smooth and soft. Next, going in for the concealer to clear my eyebrow line. I'm taking this one from Sugar. This is the last shade I think from the range, but I was really skeptical on this matching my skin tone. But as you can see, I think it's good for my concealing part. So it's like one shade lighter than my skin, but it's doing good. I realized I need some on my oily pigmented eyelids also, so that's why I'm going in for a little bit, not too much. And then I'm taking this setting powder, translucent white one from Sugar again, and setting it all up so that it doesn't crease. Now starts the party. I'm taking this kohl pencil again from Sugar. It's called Black Magic, and oh my god, this one is like butter. It is so smooth and silky, and that is why it's so good for smoky eyes, because it's easy to blend because it's so soft. So I'm just going to color like until my crease only. We'll start blending from that part. So I'm taking this brush from Color Bar and just blending the borders of it, just to give that smoked effect. Now I want to know till where I want to get that smoked look. So I'm taking this palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm taking this brown shade, and I'm going to create a fake crease for myself because I have hooded eyes. So I'm going to create a crease above my crease. Now for the eyelids, we got to set it up with some eyeshadow powder form. So I'm taking this black one from the same palette and just patting it all on the kohl which we did. And then I'm slowly taking it towards the crease which I created and trying to blend and give that smoked look. And keep doing that until you reach your crease. Keep taking little by little that black, try to blend it nicely, take your time. Now I'm going to show you magic. Okay, 1, 2, 3, boop. Now I'm doing my under eyes. I'm taking the same concealer and just doing it on my under eyes, basically, not very close to my lashes, because we're going to do the smoke look even lower lashes. And then just blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. Honestly, I just love this concealer. Yeah, oh my god, I was underestimating it so much because of the shade, but look at how it's just matching my yellow undertone, and the feel. I mean, look at how it's shining and glowing, and I love it. Okay, now for the under eyes, I am taking the same kohl pencil and basically just doing my kajal thing. Now first we're going to take a brush and smudge all of that, and then we're going to take the same brown which we used on the crease and put it under the black to give that overall round smoky look. Now quickly do the rest of my face with the same usual concealer, blending everything. Honestly, I was just happy with the concealer, but then since we're doing glam look, so I thought maybe do foundation also. So I'm taking this foundation from Sugar. It was super high coverage, and it was a bit time taking to blend because it's thick. Next, I'm taking this contour palette for this blush. Yeah, lovely, and it's pigmented also. I just took a little bit and look at the payoff. Next, the highlighter, I took just very little because it's a smoked look, right? So I wanted the rest of my face to be a little calm. Look at that. Also put some on my cupid's bow, on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and then on my eyebrow bone, the usual places. Now let's do lips. I'm taking the MAC Whirl lip liner first. And then one of my favorite nudes from Smashbox, Stepping Out. Liquid lipstick. Oh my god, I love it. It's almost over here. And then taking another lipstick from Milani in the shade Teddy Bear, I'm just putting it in the center of my lips to give that little shine. Next, curling my eyelashes and taking this mascara from Sugar again and just going for it. And that is the final look. Oh my god, I loved this smoky eye so much because of that shine and glitter. And I didn't put on lashes because I just wanted to, make it like a easy wearable look. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.